discuss Laplace and Poisson equation. In electrostatic, the primary task is to find the electric field, which can be accomplished using Coulomb's law that we have already discussed, that is electric field is equal to 1 over 4 pi epsilon naught rho dV, or say dr dash, over r square into r cap in vector form. This is the Coulomb's law, which gives the electric field due to static charge distribution. But unfortunately, integral of these types are difficult to solve for any type of charge distribution. And in such cases, so if we have a symmetry, then we use Gauss law. But the best strategy is to deal with the potential, is to calculate the potential first, and then we can find the electric field from the potential. And potential can be given as still even this type of integrals are difficult to handle analytically. In such cases, it is fruitful to recast the potential using Poisson equation. Del square V is equal to minus rho over epsilon naught. Together with appropriate boundary conditions, is equivalent to this potential. Electric field is equal to minus del dot V, where V is scalar potential, which is function of coordinates, space coordinates. We know if we find the potential, and then from the potential we can find the electric field. Electric field is negative gradient of potential. Also we know divergence of V is equal to rho over epsilon naught. This is 1, say this is 2, and we can put the value of E here, that is divergence of E, where E is negative grad of potential, is equal to rho over epsilon naught. Rho is volume charge density. So here, this del operator we know is equal to del curly by curly x, say x cap, plus curly by curly y cap, plus curly by curly z into z cap. Dot, take this negative sign outside, is equal to rho over epsilon naught. Epsilon naught, you know, permittivity of the free space. Rho is the volume charge density. Now the dot product gives, take negative sign on this side, rho over epsilon naught. Here this is the square of del operator, del square V is equal to minus rho over epsilon naught. This equation is known as Poisson equation. Large free space, rho is equal to 0, so del square V becomes 0. This is known as Laplace equation. Solution of these equations are known as harmonics. This del square is known as Laplacian. So this is a proof of Poisson equation and Laplace equation.